Hello and welcome. We are going to learn Docker in next 1 hour. What we will learn? We will learn about Docker and its necessity in application development process. What is Docker? Why do we need Docker and what problem does Docker solve in software development? Also, we will know about comparison of Docker and virtualization technology and how Docker can take advantage over virtualization concept. Besides, know about Docker basic things and Docker and virtualization comparison. We will also do install Docker on our local environment. We will find the difference of Docker image and Docker container to understand clearly. We will also understand Docker registry and difference of public and private Docker registry. After that, we will run some container in our local environment to understand Docker container. We will create our own Docker file to build custom Docker image from that. We also know some important Docker command to operate and administrate Docker. Docker image versioning is also important that we must know. And last, we will run a custom application project to understand application Dockerization. So, question about Docker. What is Docker? What, why do we need Docker? What problem does Docker solve? What is Docker? Docker is an application that is mainly based on Linux OS for application run as a process like other normal services and processes in Linux. Like other Linux package, it packages an application with necessary OS environment and binary and run like a separate OS inside base OS. Why do we need Docker? Its outstanding feature like portability, scalability helps operation team to manage application deployment easily, and it makes Docker popular nowadays. Also, any traditional resource like PC, server that can be uses as a Docker platform. Also, we can use Docker in cloud platform. What problem Docker solve? Docker solves some common problem like cross-platform deployment, OS environment dependency, and it also solves security issue during and after application deployment. It increases resource efficiency also, which makes Docker cost efficient. Docker deployment process can easily integrate with CI/CD pipeline that helps dev team to automate deployment of a application. In summary, Docker makes software development cycle easy and secure. It also brings microservice concept in a robust and lessen deployment time also.